Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I make my sour blue drink. Just like the last one, you can make it as strong as you would like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm going to start with my lemonade Minute Maid. And then I have my blue raspberry Svedka, or however you say it. You can add as much as you would like in here. I'm actually going to add just a little bit more lemonade. And then I have my blueberry Jolly Ranchers, and I have some lemon heads. And you can add as much candy in there as you like. Turn it on. I'm going to start it again. And I always like to start it 2 times just because I like to make sure the candy and the ice is all mixed in. All right, so I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more ice in here. I'm just gonna start it one more time. So in my cup, I have some blueberries, and I'm going to put just a little bit of lemon juice in there. And then I'm going to smush it up the bottom of my cup. You can put as many blueberries in here as you would like. Just want to make sure you get it all smushed up in there. You can leave this part out if you want, or you can puree it up if you don't want the chunks in it. Sorry guys, that was my daughter. So after you have it all pureed up, I'm gonna pour my drink in there. And then I'm going to add some blueberries just for some decorations. And then I have a lemon for the side. And then I've got my straw. And there you have it. That's the sour blue drink.